Well, a very good morning, everybody. So we are actually going to our first park day here in the winter. It's nice, like 80 degrees. We're going to Epcot. We got our season passes yesterday. We're gonna go to Epcot and see the Moana world. You'll see, wait till you see what Carly's dressed like. So I got the RV all locked up. Ooh, I need sunglasses. But let's get going. We made it. It's so warm out here. It is 50 something degrees back home. That's unfortunate. But it's 85 here.
Hey, it's usually 30 right now back home in November.
So we are walking in. All the transport, the monorail's about to come out. But we got Epcot. Carly's dressed like Moana. She wanted to wear her Halloween costume again. So we are at Epcot for the first time, but we're mainly here for one thing, and it's the what Journey to Water inspired by Moana. So that's what Carly wants to see. That's where we're gonna head first. Ready, Carly? We found it. It's pretty close to the entrance, so you can get wet. That's all right. This would be the place to be when it's hot outside. There's mist everywhere. Carly.
Ripley to Moana World.
Carly.
She's like, Dad? Dad? Can we take that walk
Carly. Splashy, splashy. Carly, it's Tahiti. Look.
That is beautiful.
Jump. They have all sorts of interactive water features like this stomp on. It makes the water shoot. And then over there, you can move your hands and it shoots water up, down, left, right, whatever you're doing with your hands.
That's like you're doing the elements with it. It's so cool.
Woo! Okay, so that was cool. They had so many interactive parts of that. It's not a very big area.
Very well designed.
But every detail is super cool. And they have all sorts of interactive features where you're literally controlling whatever the water is doing with your hands.
Controlling the elements is the point.
That's cool. Carly absolutely loved it. Now we're gonna go to the seas with Nemo and friends. This is just like the Little Mermaid. Oh, it has a door.
What?
It's just like it has a door.
Oh, it's cute.
Here we go. That's cool. The Nemo and Friends ride ends in the aquarium. And it's a big aquarium. There's several tanks in here, a lot. This is really cool. This is kind of just like the Ripley's aquarium.
Well, it's like a movie.
The ride ends right in here, so you get to explore it too. I wish I could have grown coral that looked like that in my tank. That is crazy. Look at that. There is no signs of ick or discolorations on her.
They always are at aquariums.
I know.
Look, there's a healthy pajama cardinal.
You can tell that these fish are a lot better taken care of than most aquariums. Tangs are notorious for ick and discoloration. These tangs look perfect.
Look at that healthy pajama cardinal.
Look at all this coral. This is one of the biggest aquariums I've ever seen. Look at how deep it is. Holy crap. There's sea turtles in here. And a bunch of other stuff. I had no idea that tank It's like 20 feet deep by probably 100 feet wide and 150 feet wide, and it's huge.
Give a shout out. We're just with the sweetest family. They're originally from Costa Rica, just moved to Florida. And Carly and Luca, like, they hit it off. It was awesome.
Carly, let's go find the meet and greet area down here. But that tank, that might be the biggest aquarium. Okay, but that aquarium was definitely really cool. Now we were gonna go to the Moana meet and greet, but line's full right now, so we'll see. Maybe try later. But there's like, I think I've seen 5 or 10 different kids dressed as Moana. It wasn't just Carly. Now I don't know where we're walking. Maybe just towards the like around the world, around the main pond area. This is kind of cool. So we're walking around the World Showcase now around the main pond. It's
Espresso and coffee.
they definitely do something in the middle. I don't know what that is. Maybe part of where they do the fireworks, but I don't know. We'll have to see later. But
Are you gonna drop these?
not right now. We're trying to walk around and see what all's here in this little center section too. There's Ireland.
Hold on.
Carly says Ireland. So Ireland is really cool. The first area we were in, what was the very first area?
Canada and Australia.
It was like Canada. There wasn't much there, but
No,
Ireland.
there was, but it was like,
Maybe it was off to the side.
no, they had attractions there, and it was like off to the side. You had to walk.
Yeah, but this area is super cool. Look at all the buildings. And it's all like restaurants and pubs and shops and stuff like that are all themed, which is really cool.
For the country.
Yeah. This tells you how well people listen to directions. It's literally parked in front of the please no stroller parking. Nice. This is France though. France looks cool.
France is beautiful.
Oh look.
Aww.
Oh, I see him. What?
She's talking about.
I just saw Beauty and the Beast sing along. We're gonna go try this.
Not the worst.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the Beauty and the Beast sing-along.
Our guest, be our guest, put our service to the test. Tie your napkin round your neck, Sherry, and we provide the rest.
Okay, that ride was, it was okay. The Frozen sing-along one at Hollywood Studios, I think it was a little bit better because they actually had people that interacted. That was just basically a movie. Now,
Very weird.
now we're going from France over to China, I think. Okay, we found China. It was behind Germany and Kenya. It was, China was right next to Germany and Kenya, but we found it. So, whole bunch of stuff. Oh yeah. Whole bunch of stuff done here. That's pretty. Okay, so we went to the Lotus Blossom. I got orange chicken. I know it's not Chinese. It's fine. It's fine. But mine actually, look at this. So this is veggie stir fry, and that looks better than mine. And then Carly got sweet and sour chicken. Okay, so I mean that was the orange chicken. Panda was better.
Veggie was where it was at.
Panda was better, but it was okay. But
This is where I would have liked to have eaten when we had Carly.
ironically enough, both Carly and I would have rather had Mom's veggie stir fry. So, whatever. But Carly ate a little bit. She didn't really eat any of her sweet and sour chicken, but that's fine. I mean, the orange chicken wasn't bad, but it was sweet and sour chicken in orange sauce. So, not right. Oh well. Okay, now we're gonna keep walking to what other countries there are.
I don't know what's left. I think Mexico, maybe.
I don't know. Okay, we'll see how this goes. Carly's gonna try to meet Anna and Elsa. We're in Norway, right? I think we're in Norway. I don't know. But there's I think a 15 or 20 minute wait. We'll see. But we're gonna head in here and see if she freaks out or not. Carly, you wanna meet Elsa? You wanna meet Elsa? She's not sure.
This was first one she's ever had.
Some cold feet.
Carly's.
Need some hot chocolate to buy you out.
Oh, I've been giggling up there for the past 10 minutes.
To the beach today. Do you have some snowballs on your necklace? Are you saving them for a snowball fight?
Carly.
Oh, sorry.
Come on, Carly's.
Look.
Peekaboo.
Oh, are you going to the other? Or are you playing peekaboo behind mommy?
Carly's.
Yeah, there she is.
Okay, that was really, really cool because I knew, okay, I know these people obviously deal with kids all day long, but they knew exactly how to kind of handle
Break the ice
dealing with
with kids.
Carly, who's very shy, and everything like that. She actually ended up,
Elsa was great, but Anna
She
went
was-
through the roof with her.
Anna was playing tag and peekaboo with Carly to get her to actually come stand next to her.
And
But-
she did.
Yeah, so, and look at this sunset. So that's cool. I don't know where we're going next. We're gonna walk back over there though. Continue our walk around. Okay, I know it's getting dark, but we had to go through Moana again because of the color in here. Everything is lit up. This looks so freaking cool.
Sorry. So sorry.
Look at this at night. Wow. All right, so I'm gonna go through the waterfall thing that turns off when you walk into it. Okay, check this out. Okay, so if you come here, please leave time to come at night. Please leave time to come back at night because this is so cool. Everything is illuminated. Look at Dafiti. I'll post a picture here too because the GoPro doesn't do well at night. So I'll post the picture right here. Alrighty, well we're back everybody. We're back at the RV. That was a lot of fun. And the cool thing about having season passes is you don't have to be like the moment they open to the moment they close. Like, we went there to see the Moana thing and we wanted to tour the park, so we walked around, saw what we want to do next time, have some great ideas for the next upcoming things we want to do there, and then on the way home we saw a SpaceX launch. We're sitting there like, whoa, what is that big fireball in the sky? Sure enough, there was a rocket going up, and I think it was Falcon Heavy. I have to look. It might have just been a Falcon 9, but I think it was Falcon Heavy because we saw a boost back of 2 boosters, I think, and then a entry burn. So right from the campground, because I mean it's only an hour to Cape Canaveral. So, but yeah, anyway, it was cool. That was a lot of fun. Just gonna wrap up this video. We will see you guys in a couple days. Please like, subscribe, do all the things, follow us. We'll see you later.